Doing alright. Oh, just the seat, just like.
It's electrical.
Where's it at? The controls?
And on the right side.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
T'as mis à Julien?
Shit.
Find it?
Yeah, I think I found something.
The
yeah,
small,
there we go, there we go.
Perfect. So which car you drove before?
All of them except for this one right here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So you'll see this one is very more quiet.
Yeah.
So the big difference is the feeling. So it will be harder to feel the car.
Yeah.
So when you're in the track, just be sure you take your time to feel it, because sometimes you overdrive the car because you don't feel the response
road,
of the car. Okay. So just be sure you have your reference on the side of the track. So when it's orange cones, be sure you brake. Small braking before every corners. When I say to just release the gas, don't brake for nothing, okay? But take your time, because sometimes, because there is no sound, you go faster and you don't realize that you're on the limit of the tire.
All right.
Good? So you can put the automatic mode, hit A, with the thumbs, like that, you're good.
It's automatic.
Perfect.
What's your favorite car?
The GTR is the fastest one, so I like this one. But for the sound, it's the 430.
Oh yeah.
But the GTR is the quicker one. On the track, the time is like 2 seconds faster. So just do a stop at the orange cones. Perfect. So the track is clear for you. You can go.
Go.
Yeah. Perfect. So brake a bit. Take the inside to the right side. Let the car go wide. Use all the track. See where you want to go. Go wide, and full gas. One good pressure on the brake. One good pressure, exact. Release it and take the inside. Stay smooth. Go wide. Use all the track and accelerate progressively. Yeah. Take the inside, let the car go wide, and accelerate smoothly. Yeah, exactly.
I see what you're saying. You don't feel the road as much on this one.
Yeah, exactly. Huh? Yeah, it's too quiet.
Yeah.
So just release a bit and gas. Brake. Harder. Good. Go wide and accelerate progressively. Release it, take it inside. Avoid for accelerating, take your time. Be patient, go wide, accelerate progressively. Go progressively. Very good, brake. Harder.
Yeah, shouldn't gradual, just do it over us.
Wide and accelerate.
Just wait for them a little bit. I can wait for them.
Go catch him a bit. Lamborghini on arrière de vous. Go closer. So after the next corner over there, we're gonna pass him. Ouais, c'est bon. So after the corner over there, so just be close. Exactly. So he's gonna go on the left side, you're gonna pass him by the right side.
That's me.
So you can go. Release the gas, brake, take it inside. Exactly. Go wide and full gas. grip and accelerate progressively. One good pressure on the brake, one good pressure.
That one.
Now you see you brake and you turn at the same time. That's
not good. Not good.
You put all the weight on one tire, so you understeer. Release it and gas. Brake. Oh yeah, that's a bit. Wait for accelerating, be patient, go wide, and keep going. Release it. Wait for accelerating, that's the limit. Go wide, and gas, full gas. Brake. Harder, yeah. Go wide and accelerate. Brake a bit, take the inside. Good. So after this corner, we're gonna go in the pit lane, just between the orange cones. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So,
see what you're saying. Like it's hard to feel the road.
yeah.
It's almost too.
Different.
Yeah. But the acceleration is like definitely there.